We will now see the last 2 points. We will see these 2 points together in such a way that first we will see how to export an update set. We will delete it from the instance and we will also delete the button and at the end we will import it again so we can see that the button appears again. So let's start. Firstly, as we have mentioned, we are going to go to the update set. Once we are in it, the first thing we will do is remove the changes from the examples that we had saved in the previous section. In this way, we have a clean update set that we can move from one instance to another just with the button we want. In order to export an update to XML, what we will need is to set the status to completed and save it. And once we do this, we can see that the Export to XML Update button appears in the related links of the registry. And when we press it, the XML is downloaded. This will be the way to export an update set. Easy, right? For the moment, let's leave the file in downloads and move on to the part about how to delete an update set. As we can see in the upper right part, the typical delete button that appears in most ServiceNow records does not appear. But we still have a way to do it. To do this, what we will do is create a background script with the code that I show you below. In this script we will make a glide record to the update sets table and we will take the record that we want to delete. We will add the set workflow attribute and we will pass the value false. And finally we will call the delete record function. We press the Run Script button and we can see that it already appears on the right that the record has been deleted. And if we go to the update set table and reload, we can see that it is no longer found in the instance. And finally, we will move on to the part of how to import an update set. The first thing we will have to do is look for in the search menu Retrieved Update Set. Once in the list, we will right-click on any of the field names and press the Import XML option. In the import form we will have to press the button, Select File, and the File Explorer will be open and here we can select the file we want to import. Once selected, we will press the Upload button and it will appear in the Retrieved Update Set list. Before committing it, we are going to delete the UI action that we had created to check that it is recreated correctly. So we will go to the UI Actions table. Look for the one we want and proceed to delete it. And now we will return to the update set that we just imported. We will press the Preview Update Set button. Once we see that everything is fine, we will only have to press the Commit Update Set button and the changes will be committed to our instance. To check this, we will return to the UI Action table. And indeed we can see that our button is back in the table. And with this we end our video. This is how we end this video. We remind you that this video is a fragment of the full video, where we see other functionalities about the update sets and we recommend that you watch. If you want to go see it, we leave you the link in the description. If you want to see more content about a large number of topics related to ServiceNow, do not hesitate to subscribe to be informed when we upload new content. If you liked it and it was useful to you, please leave your like and share. And if you want any specific content, let us know in the comments box. We also leave you in the description the link to our Instagram that we just created and where we will upload more content and news about ServiceNow. See you in the next video at ServiceNow Pro Solutions.